Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is your favorite Nigerian boy J Black, and in this video guys I'm about to show you the current construction progress of the Lotto bridge along Lagos-IBADAN expressway reconstruction project guys. So along this project there are going to be 3 flyovers when you come from Lagos to Ibadan. So this is part of the construction project of the Lagos Ibadan Expressway, guys. So in this video, just want us to go and see the Lotto Bridge, the Lotto Flyover is one of these 3 flyovers. That I will be bringing you the other flyovers that are actually involved in this project, guys. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you really like this kind of content. This is the kind of content I made. I'm going to be showing you a lot of progress that's happening in Nigeria, Africa, in general, guys. So all the development that we are going through, just to show the world that we are really changing and we are growing. Yeah, guys. So make sure you support this channel by liking my videos so that YouTube can recommend it to more people, and by sharing my content. Also be part of this community by subscribing, guys. So more dope content will surely comes your way, and I hope you're gonna enjoy watching this video.
This flyover, when it's finished, it will link to other places from the left side and to the right side. So just to decongest the traffic in the area. But so this is why they actually built the flyover. Most express need flyover bridge so people can move to one place or the other in the city, guys. So you can just connect to other routes of the city from this side and from that side. So there might be some, maybe they will clear some space just to make the road on top of the bridge, guys. So let's go and see more of this bridge and what it really looks like. You guys, let's keep on going. Actual construction here. You see that? So guys, as you can see, it's the Lotto Bridge construction going on right there, and it's really nice. Good thing going on in Nigeria, guys. Let's keep it going. Still on the bridge construction here at Lotto Bridge, guys. Guys, currently here at the Lotto Bridge down, you see, it's really a good job. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. You see the bridge right there, and this right here, guys. So let me know what you think. It's really a good one, guys. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you're gonna share this video and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next one. Make sure you smash that like button, guys, and hit the subscribe button. More dope content is coming up, guys. You can see this is the Lagos-IBADAN road, and some more construction machines, and the people right there are working as well, working right there right now. Construction progress of this flyover. So guys, if you really like what you see in this video, thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you on the next one. Peace and love.